Good morning, everybody. Myself Neha. My roll number is 5320. My class is 5.6. Today I am here to give my presentation on topic subbase for topology. We will study what is topology, what is subbase for a topology, about its definition, some examples, and also results using subbase. Now, first of all, what is topology? Topology is the study of geometric objects which cannot change its shape under certain circumstances or under certain conditions. Now, what is subbase? In topology, a subbase for a topological space X with topology T is a subcollection B of T that generates T, subcollection which is denoted by B of T. What it means that T is the smallest topology containing B. A slightly different definition is used by some other authors. We will discuss it below. And another definition of this: let X be a topological space with topology T. A subbase of T is usually defined as a subcollection B of T satisfying one of two equivalent conditions. The subcollection B generates the topology T. This means that T is the smallest topology containing B. That means any topology T on X containing B must also contain T. Any topology which contains B also contain T. The collection of open consisting of all finite intersection of elements of B together with the set X forms a basis for T. This means that every proper open set in T can be written as a union of finite intersection of elements of B. It can be written in the form of union of finite intersection of elements of B. Now, in another terms, let a point X is given in an open set U, and U is the subset of X, that is, U is contained in X. There are finitely many sets of B. There are many sets like S1, S2, S3 up to Sn of B such that the intersection of these sets, that means intersection of S1, S2, S3 up to Sn, that is S1 intersection S2 intersection S3 intersection S4, the intersection of these sets contains X and it is also contained in U. The intersection of these sets contains X and they are contained in U. For any subcollection S of the power set P of X. Now, what is power set? Power set of X, the collection of all possible sets of X is known as power set of X. For any subcollection S of the power set P of X, there is a unique topology having S as a subbase. In particular, the intersection of all topologies on X containing S satisfies this condition. And also, there is no unique subbases for a given topology. Now, we can start with, first of all, we will do fixed topology and find the subbases for that topology. After that, we can also start with an arbitrary subcollection of the power set, that is, arbitrary collection of P of X, and form the topology generated by the subcollection. Now I am giving an example so that you can understand it properly. the usual topology on the real numbers, real number is denoted by R, has a subbase consisting of all semi-infinite open interval. Now what do you mean by semi-infinite open interval? Semi-infinite, that means there is an interval in which one term is infinite and another one is finite. Open means that, open intervals means that the point do not contain in this interval. Therefore the semi-infinite open intervals either of the form minus infinity to a, that is from minus infinity to a where a does not belong to this set, or b to infinity where a and b are real number, together these generates the usual topology, because the intersection of both these minus infinity to a or b to infinity equals to an open interval from a to b. For a less than b, if b less than a, then it comes out to be from b to a. It generates the usual topology. A second subbase is formed by taking the subfamily where a and b are rational numbers. The second subbase generates the usual topology as well. Since the open interval from a to b with a and b are rational numbers are a basis for the usual Euclidean topology. Now the initial topology on X defined by a family of function, that is fi, where fi is a function from x to yi, where I is from 1, 2, 3 to n, where each yi has a topology such that each fi is continuous, that is each function that is from x to yi is continuous, where I belongs to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Each function is continuous because continuity can be defined in terms of inverse images of open set. This means that the initial topology of X is given by taking all fi's to where U ranges all over the open subset of yi as a subbasis. There are two special cases of the initial topology. First of all, there is product topology, where the family of function is the set of projections from the product to each factor. Projections from the product to each factor. And the subspace, second one is subspace topology. First one is product topology and second one is subspace topology. Subspace topology, in this topology family consists of just one function, the inclusion map. Therefore two special cases we have done it, two special cases of initial topology. One of this is product topology. In this the family of function is the set of projections and projections from the product to each factor, and the second of the most important or special case of the initial topology is subspace topology, where the family consists of just one function, only one function, the inclusion map. Now there are some results using subbase for a topology. These are some examples which you have understood. These are definition of subbase. Now I am telling you the results using subbase. Okay. One nice fact about subbases is that continuity of a function need only be checked on a subbase for the range. What it means that if we have to check continuity of a function, because it is very important point, we have to check continuity of a function. then the continuity of a function need only to be checked on a subbase of the range, only for a range. We have to check continuity only for us on a subbase only for the of the range. Thank you.